Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to open up a shared OneNote that your classroom teacher has shared with you. So you need to go to your menus, your startup screen, find your desktop, open your browser. Yours might be Internet Explorer. You should have already made MN Share your home page. So your webmail is really easy to get to. You just click on the tile that says webmail. It will ask you to sign in. So make sure you put in your login that you use for your already existing computer. Log on. Okay, here are all my emails, and you would have received an email from your classroom teacher that looks similar to this, with a big blue link that says what the OneNote is called. So you want to click on this link, not the guest link underneath it. You want to click on the big one. So click on that. It will ask, is this a work or school account or a personal account? You want to click work or school account. And then you want to sign in with your school email and your school password. Remember that your school email has MNSTU instead of just MN. Sign in. It will open OneNote online, and it will look like this. What you want to do is you want this OneNote online, this shared OneNote that's saved online, you want to open it in your app that you're using on your computer, the OneNote 2013 app or the OneNote desktop app. So the way that you do that is you go up to the grey stripe up here and you click on Open in OneNote. It should open your desktop app that you want to use. Okay, it will pop up down the bottom here, and you should be able to see a collaboration space, a content library, and your name here. If that doesn't happen, you might need to change who you're signed in as. So a lot of people, especially Year 10, have logged in with their personal account onto their computer, and so their Microsoft account is their personal account instead of their school account. So up here you will find your name. You need to click the drop down box, and if it does not say your school email here, you need to switch your account, and you need to find, hopefully, your other account should be your school email. If it's not, you need to go and click the Add Account Plus. Then you need to type in your school account. And click Next. Alright, the three parts of the shared OneNote. The first one is the collaboration space. If you type into this space here, what will pop up is whatever you type for everyone else to see. Now, be very careful about what you type, because next to it, your initials will pop up letting your teacher know who has typed which part on the collaboration space. So make sure it's appropriate. To navigate, you just press the green arrow back. Your content library is where your teacher will upload the notes that they want you to find to use in your OneNote and in class. Okay, as you can see, I've already uploaded content for my classes about Shakespeare and about classic novels. So if your teacher says go to the Shakespeare tab in the content library, you will go into the content library. So you click content library, You go into Shakespeare, you find the page that they would like you to use. Okay, say it's the group and technology page, and they want you to copy it into your own OneNote. So you right click on that page, you find the part that says move or copy, click on that, and then you go back to the shared OneNote and say, for example, you're Laura Pierce, your name will be there. You open up your name and you pop it into class notes or wherever they want you to move it to, and you click copy. Now, if you're Laura Pierce and you click into your OneNote, in class notes, there it is. So that's how you access class notes. Wherever your name is at the top here, that's your OneNote in the shared OneNote. Anything you type in here, your teacher can see. Just your teacher, not the rest of the class. So, make sure you're typing and writing the correct things. One last thing. If you go home and you want to access something in the content library and you didn't sync your computer at school, it chews up a lot of your download. So you need to make sure that before you go home, you're making sure you're syncing your shared OneNotes so that you can access, say, for example, the homework your teacher has set. And the way you do that is you go up to File. Here are all the OneNotes that you're a part of. You find the OneNote you want to sync. Maybe it's Year 10 English, Miss Heath. You click down on the settings and you click sync. And you can see a little green circle is appearing there and it's flashing. And that means that all the notes will update to what the teacher's OneNote looks like, which means that your homework should be in there. If you need any extra help with OneNote online, make sure to ask Miss Heath, Mr. Nisbet, or your classroom teacher.